All right, all right, all right. Good morning. It's Monday the 13th. And we are looking at futures that are up a wee bit. Um, and we got a bit of news coming in today. So the futures are up about 15 right now. That's pretty good. We closed at the high, so we're going to be gapping up. And we could be in that Christmas rally, man. Um, so just be careful. Careful, careful, careful. I want to look at the weeklies first. Wow, that's huge. Look at that. Look at that bar. People are going to want to get involved with that bar. So I guess our next target, we're going to just have to look for a high of 743, and we'll be opening up at like 727. So, I mean, it's not impossible that we see that, and maybe we get our rally. We still have these gaps on the daily that I find most vicarious. But we have to do what the market's doing. Look, we're making a lower high here on the daily, on the weekly. So we can keep an eye on the momentum of the weekly, and it's just encouraging. Um, Looks like the histogram's turning around. That 20-week moving average is holding as a support, which is 521. We still have this gap here, which makes me uncomfortable. It's a lot that I'm going to remain uncomfortable with until we break that high and look for a move up to that high. And maybe one day down the road, Biden will do something to force the markets down and close those gaps. But today, hey, we have a bullish bias. I'm sorry, keep saying that. And I, we have the Fed out on Wednesday. There you go. Economic projections and interest rate. And then it's their conference at 2:30 that's going to be interesting. Everybody's looking for them to accelerate the purchases, saying they may double the purchases or what have you. And who knows, man? They could very well come back and say that they're holding steady, and that could upset the markets because the markets may feel it's appropriate to start being aggressive. Or they may say they're coming back aggressive, and you could have they're going to be aggressive, and we could have a taper tantrum. So a lot of variables, smelling a lot of ifs coming off this season. I just don't want to see those 100 point swings like we saw the other day. I mean, that's lots of volatility. As far as day trading, it does very well, but as far as investing in long-term trading, it's really disrupting. So everything's pretty much up across the board. Even the 10-year is up, and I'm looking for the 10-year at about 15.1 or so, or 1.51. So we'll keep an eye on that. We went through all the stocks that we think you should buy. So there's not really a whole lot to say this Monday morning, other than I'm a wee bit chilly, a little cold front coming in. It's going to be about 20 degrees warmer today than it was yesterday, which is pretty cool. So I'll get my flip-flops out and go run around town. But anyway, everybody just be calm, cool, be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.